How to log into JetBlue credit card account. To log into your JetBlue credit card account, you may follow up this process. So you can head over and visit the Barclays card servicing page, which is this one right here, and head over to their website. And then once you are headed to their website, you can directly find a sign in option on the screen, or you can look out for the login option at the top right corner, at the top right corner, and tap on it. After you tap on it, you will be taken directly towards the login page. So you can just go ahead and tap on the sign in option on your screen. And once you reach over to this page, here you can enter up your username, which should be 8 to 16 character long, and your 9-digit ID number. After that, right below it, enter up your password. And once that is done, you can complete the login process by selecting the login button, and you will be accessing the JetBlue credit card online login page on your screen. If you've forgotten your username or password, you can select forgot username or password. Or if you have not set up your online access yet, you can look out for login, set up online access, and follow the process to access your account. And that way you can log in into JetBlue credit card online very easily. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.